What's up guys, Call Central here. Today I'll be showing you my footage from my time at DSOC Killhouse with the guys from the Generic Airsoft Team and Mortis Airsoft. DSOC Killhouse is a CQB field slightly bigger than the AEX skirmish field, which is great for some CQB room clearing. The field is open on certain weekends. You can check their Facebook and website, which I'll leave in the description down below. Hope you guys enjoy. What the staff does different that I like is they make it into a bit of a SWAT-sim, mainly by having a special respawn rule that I call hardcore. In certain game modes, when you get hit, you are downed and can be revived by a teammate by being picked up, or you can be finished off by an enemy and you're out for the rest of the round.
Yeah. I'll go left too, I guess.
3, 2,
I'll go right. Fuck it.
I'll go
yeah. Ah, shit. Reloading. Tango down, tango down. EK, he's dead.
As we all know, communication is always important, especially when you flank the enemy team without telling your teammates can almost lead to a team kill. Luckily, no one was hit, so all we had to do is disarm the bomb to win the round.
Over there. So is it 3-on-3 still? Game. Nice.
The next game mode is Onslaught. Each team spawns back to back and have to close the opposing enemy bay door in order to stop them from respawning. You can lock down the enemy spawn point by aiming at the door and they won't come in as long as you keep on aiming. And spawn is enabled with a 10-second countdown.
He's right at the corner. Come on. He's down. Shit, yeah, he's got me pegged. I got no angle. You got. Got him, he's down, move up. Hit, nice. Move up, move up, move up! I got the door, I got the door! Push in! How do I move the door? Wait, where's the thing? Oh. Wait. Woo!
You guys did it. So
Yeah.
I went up here by myself,
Yeah.
and they're all like...
Crossing, crossing, crossing. Oh.
As you can see, the field has many tight corners that you should always check and not run carelessly like I did there.
Straight off, straight off.
Another unique thing the staff does, if you're surrendered in any game mode, you're out for the entire round. Of course, just losing one person in a 4v4 can change the tides drastically, making you want to move more cautiously.
How much time left?
30 seconds!
Thank you. Yeah, I got started at the end.
The last game mode we have here is called Extraction. Both teams need to extract as many of their teammates to the opposing bay door. The team with the most extracted personnel wins the game, and the respawn rules are back to hardcore.
Go, 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 go. Shit, shit. Crossing. Tango down. Hit. Ah, friendly.
No, one, two, three.
Oh, yeah, respawn, I guess. Hit. I'm down. I'm down. Medic. I'm down. I need help. Right here. Okay. Let's go. Extract everyone. Everyone out.
Hope you guys liked the video. Throw a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't to keep posted on my videos. Also check out Mortis Airsoft's YouTube channel, which I'll leave in the description down below to check out his footage. And the Generic Airsoft Team, which will be coming out with their footage soon as well. This is Call Sign Joker, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.
Yeah.